The sag of a line between two utility poles can be measured easily with the TruPulse 200X. First, press the up or down navigation button to access the missing line routine, where ML and SH1 will both display. Position yourself in a safe location where you have a clear line of sight to both the wire's lowest point and its attachment point on the utility pole. These two targets will both require a distance measurement to be recorded, and the use of a tripod with mounting brackets is recommended to achieve the best accuracy. First, we'll capture a horizontal distance for shot 1. The display will read HD and SH1. Next, capture a horizontal distance measurement for shot 2. The display will read HD and SH2. Aim the laser at the wire's attachment point on the utility pole and press the fire button. Now use the navigation buttons to scroll through your results until you see ML and VD both displayed. The number shown here is the vertical distance between your two shots and represents the sag of the line from the attachment point.